And as the remaining few contestants are called to audition,
2090.
There's one last surprise in store for Cheryl as an old friend arrives, ready for his turn to stand on the X.
Your name is?
Okay, off you go.
Cheryl?
I love you. You're cute, you're really cute. There seemed to be a harmony missing sometimes, a low harmony. But I thought your arrangement was amazing. And
The reality is, you're not very good.
I don't care what you were trying to do. It was just horrific. The song was atrocious. Everything. I mean, it was just crazy bad. All right, Louis, yes or no?
No.
Cheryl?
Huh?
nah. It's going to be like a biased, weird thing, and I'm just not happy to do it.
Okay, I can make this relatively straightforward. No! Oh, for God's sake, it's a look to leave.
I guess it's over. Can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love would never end. How was I to know? You never told me.
To be crushed again. I can't imagine how he must be feeling, because I reckon this was his last shot. But I'm just going to have to try and get over it, and I'm going to go. Today really reinforced how powerful a yes or a no can be. You can actually make somebody or totally break somebody.